1993 RWB. The fenders are insanely wide.
Yeah, that's damn. Maybe I did.
But it's not a Fisker, it's an actual Karma. And the plate says E30. If you live in Miami and you've ever made a trip out to West Kendall, going down a particular main road, I'm not gonna say which road, you'll have seen this Ferrari Testarossa before. It's a daily driven Testarossa. For a while, the car was parked here and wasn't used, but yeah, the car has been registered recently, and dude, it's full of water bottles. The dash is going to shit a little bit. Same with the interior, but it's not that bad. It can be restored easily. Won't be cheap, but C63 Edition 1. Old school Maybach. Got a random black on black M6 Grand Coupe. Pretty dope, but it's not in the best condition. Paint on the hood's fading, you can see it. Headlights kind of shot too. Nonetheless, still a badass car.
Put my rakes, put a water table up. These are J.E.
What the Lexus? It's like a 350Z with like a C8 style body kit on it. Should got a turbo. And you got this monster right here. That shit is hard, bro. That shit is hard.
Never know what you can get, it's the mystery ball. Saying either way,
promise. an individual Z. I don't even know what green this is, but I kind of like it. I don't know. Pretty sick. Car's also manual, so there's that. Matte black F-Type, and I'm black. This guy crashed into a bush. Ooh, shit. Brand new M3 popped an illegal ass U-turn.